Hello everyone, welcome to the Pillars. The sir has already introduced all the faculty members in the last video. So here is my profile. I am Sambit from Odisha and I have completed my graduation and post-graduation from the respective universities, as you can see here. After that I qualified GATE and JEST in 2020, for which I am a PhD student in Department of Physics at IIT Patna. I am mainly working on magnetic materials. So my area of research is experimental condensed matter physics. So in this platform I am going to teach you mathematical physics, especially differential equations and complex analysis. And here I have noted the syllabus of differential equations only, because after the completion of differential equation I will tell you about the syllabus of complex analysis. Okay, so we are going to start with the basic terminologies in differential equation, like the definition of differential equation, what is linear ordinary differential equation, what is order and degree of a differential equation. After that we will go to a different kind of differential equations and find their solutions, and then we will learn about the most important part of this differential equation, that is the application of differential equations. So let me tell you, this differential equations has a wide range of applications in different fields of physics, like classical mechanics, like quantum mechanics, or say electromagnetic theory, electronics. So in all those fields there is application of differential equations. So I will tell you about those applications in detail, so don't worry about all these papers, like we have not studied the quantum mechanics or classical mechanics, so don't panic by listening all these names. So I will tell you elaborately, so that you will get to know all those things. Okay, after that we will see this power series solution and special functions like a Hermite polynomial, Legendre polynomial, Bessel function, Laguerre polynomial. Okay, and in the end we are going to finish this differential equation by finding the nodes and the extrema of a polynomial. Okay, so now this is all about the syllabus of differential equation. Now let me tell you some important points how you are going to study, or how I am going to teach you. So talking about teaching method, I am going to teach you in pen tablet, and I will write down some important points in the slides of PowerPoint presentation, and then below that I will leave some space, enough space to explain all those points elaborately. Okay, so don't worry, join the class, you will get to know about my teaching style. And another thing is, after the completion of each slide I will conclude what we have learned in that particular slide. Okay, so so in the end of the lecture we will revise all those things what we have learned in all those slides. So after that your only job is to take a book, any standard book, and solve the questions by yourself, not by looking at previous formulas or something, because that has no meaning. Okay, so my only advice is, try to know the concept of a specific topic, whichever topic, not only differential equation or complex analysis, in any field, in like classical mechanics or quantum mechanics, in electromagnetic theory. Okay, so try to learn the concepts, because these concepts will give you the right approach to solve the problem. Okay, so this faculty panel has a very talented people, like you have seen the introduction video of Ravikant sir. He has 4 or 5 years of experience in UG and graduation level. So you can assume from that this panel has very talented persons. So you just ask them the questions that comes to your mind and get your fundamentals clear. That is the only motto of this group, to deliver you the right concept, the excellent content. Okay, so focus on your studies and try to learn the concept. That is my only advice. Okay, so now another thing is, if you have a doubt or you couldn't understand some points in the lecture, then you can just go back and watch it again. Okay, this is the biggest advantage in studying in this platform in YouTube. So you can just go back and watch it again, so you will definitely get what I'm trying to say. In case you still didn't get the point, then you can just ask in comment section, or I will attach my WhatsApp number and Gmail ID, so you can just text me in those Gmail or WhatsApp. Okay, I will definitely get back to you. Okay, so these are the things. So enjoy the physics. Don't panic by seeing a problem, or I cannot understand this principal axis of theorem, or rigid body dynamics. Okay, so don't panic by listening all those names like complex analysis. How can I solve this integration by using complex analysis? So don't panic by listening all those names. These are very easy, only if you get to know the concepts. That is the only thing. Okay, so enjoy learning physics, because you have to love physics, because now you are doing graduation. After that you will go to do post graduation in only in physics, because there is no subject. Because in graduation you have some past subject, you have some major, you have some minor, like that. Because in that, after this graduation, you will only have to study physics. So you will be in much more pressure if you don't know the concept, because if you learn the concept, then physics becomes very easy and very interesting. You will fall in love with it. But if you don't know the concept, then it will pressurize you. Okay, so that's my only advice before starting the lectures. And stay home, stay safe. That is another most important advice. Okay, so we are going to start the lectures very soon. I will be uploading the videos very soon. Okay, then see you in the lectures. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, bye.